So John, great to see you again. I know that you've recently come off the back of Identiverse a few weeks back. Firstly, how was it? And secondly, what were some of the key takeaways that you found from the event?
Yeah, first of all, great to be back in London again. I'm super excited to meet some of our customers, both here and Europe abroad. Fantastic event this year at Identiverse. It's a practitioner conference that we do in North America. So it's really the people that are the how of how we do identity and cybersecurity. Biggest attendance we've had, I think, in the history of the event. Not surprisingly, the big message was Agentic AI. I'd say two halves of the room. One half's talking about how to use it, and the other half was really thinking about how to secure it.
So I know that you've obviously been going to Identiverse for a number of years now. What would you say is the main difference this year compared to last year in terms of some of those conversations you were having?
Well, last year we were definitely talking about AI. It was right when Agentic was coming out, and I think organizations were really trying to figure out what would that going to mean to them in terms of their business. That has moved much faster than I think everyone appreciated. This year it was really around authorization, security. I know this stuff is going to be used in my business, and now I need to really be concerned with how do I authorize it.